Hey party people, welcome to our channel! Today, we're getting all sparkly and celebrating something near and dear to both our hearts. Lights!
That's right, folks! From twinkle lights to firework explosions, we're diving into the science behind the magic that makes our favorite festivities extra special.
And we're not just talking about pretty colors and shiny things. Oh no! We're going to crack the code on how the science of light affects our emotions, creates illusions, and even connects us across cultures. We're your hosts. I am Jane, and my partner.
And I am Jason.
We're here to prove that science can be just as much fun as a conga line at a wedding.
So it is time for buckling up to yourself because we are going to on a dazzling ride.
Let's start with the basics. Colors. Imagine you're lighting diyas for Diwali. Those warm yellows and oranges. Boom! Instant happiness and family vibes.
Exactly! Think Christmas lights or bonfire flames. These warm hues trigger our brains to release feel-good chemicals, making us all jolly and cozy. That's the science of snuggling, everyone.
But wait, there's more! Cool colors like blues and purples are like a magical calming potion. Remember those serene blue Hanukkah candles or the dreamy glow of fairy lights? Everyone relax, take a breath, and enjoy the science.
Yes, babe, science backs it up. They activate our parasympathetic nervous system, slowing things down and sending us into a blissful state. Perfect for snuggling too.
All right, Jason, let's move on before things get too boring. How about some mind-bending light tricks? Remember those Alpona patterns we drew as kids?
Those intricate designs, they play with light and perception, creating optical illusions that make your brain do double takes. It's like magic, but it's all science.
And speaking of magic, check out this dye project. With just some LEDs, wire, and batteries, we can whip up our own festive lights that are both sparkly and scientific.
Don't forget, the science party favorite, the prism! We can take ordinary white light and split it into all the colors of the rainbow, like a mini fireworks show right in your living room.
See? Science is everywhere, even in the twinkle of our celebrations. It's about understanding the world around us and using that knowledge to create joy, beauty, and maybe even a little romance.
Jane, thank you so much. I couldn't have said it better myself. So that is for today, everyone. So it is your time to keep exploring the science of lights. Share your stories of celebration.
And also, if you guys like our content, then please subscribe our channel and share your thoughts on the comment section. And also, do not forget to take care of you and your loved ones.